Hello fellow yogis. Today we are going to learn about the two interconnected asanas, Bithilasana and Mariaryasana, known as the cow and cat pose. To start, take your tabletop hands and knees. Untuck the toes so the top of the feet rest on the mat. Your knees about hip distance apart under the hips and your wrists under your shoulders. Spread your fingers really wide. Neutralize your spine, pull your belly button in and slightly scoop your tailbone down. On the inhalation, moving one vertebra at a time, lift your tailbone, drop the belly, roll your shoulders back and look forward, cow pose, Bithilasana. Think about lengthening the neck and the space between the sternum and the belly button. On the exhalation, moving into your cat, Mariaryasana, press through the back of the knuckles, protract your shoulders, chin to chest, round through your spine and scoop your tailbone down. As you inhale and move into your cow, Bithilasana, you are strengthening the neck, the front torso, stimulating the abdominal organs and the spine. As you exhale and move into your cat, Mariaryasana, you are strengthening the spine, stimulating the abdominal organs, and setting a rhythmic flow for your breath. Energetically, these two poses work together, stimulating the third chakra, Manipura, the solar plexus, igniting our self-confidence and its intrinsic energy. The beautiful dance between these two poses symbolically represent calm and relaxation, cow, and alertness, cat, reminding us of the duality and unity that exist in all aspects of life. Thank you for watching. Namaste.